I turned my basement into my nail studio. Stay with me so you guys can check it out. And we'll start with where they enter. So when my clients enter, they enter through my side door. I normally have this door open and they walk straight into the basement. This is the door that leads to my kitchen. So when my clients come in, this is the first thing they see. It's my sign. And then they're going to enter the studio. Over here is where I have extra seats for people who want to sit. My coat rack for people who need to hang up their coats or their purses. My light. And over here I have my aroma table. I have wine, water. I have my candles lit. I also light an incense. And here is my nail polish racks. I got my nail polish racks from Amazon. I will list the link down below. I also have the TV on for them, just in case they want to watch TV. I give them the remote for them to operate the TV. They can watch whatever they like while they're sitting here getting their services done. And this is the client's view from behind the chair. So if I was the client, this is what you will see in the client's chair. On my desk, I have my paper towels, my speaker, my fan, my LED lamp, my table light, my Girl Boss sign, lotion, hand sanitizer. I have my equipment here, my drill here, and extra things over here on the side table. My garbage can here, and then I have extra cart here, and my my nail colors hanging here. More packages from Amazon. Here is my nail cart and everything in it. My backdrop and my curtains that I have hanging up. My curtains are actually sheets that my mom found and we cut up to turn into curtains. The sheets we found were at Mark's for $9.99. So yep, that's how I got my curtains. The backdrops that you see I got from Amazon. I will make sure to leave the link down below. They were under $20, as well as this backdrop from Amazon as well, and that was under $20. My table I found on OfferUp, and it just comes with one single drawer, and then two drawers on the side, one drawer here and one drawer here. And then my cart I got also off of, I want to say, Amazon. That link will be down below. That table was a table that was already in the house, so I don't know where that came from. And my cart here, this cart here came from Target or Walmart. And my garbage can came from Walmart. And my bar stools I've already had, so I can't remember where those came from. And my tree came from Michael's. It was on sale. And my TV came from Walmart. And then once my clients get ready to wash their hands, they walk through here. This is my laundry area where I have, they wash their hands here at the laundry sink. And over here they have their brushes, and their clean brushes and then their dirty brushes, as well as paper towels. And then this is my clients. This is my view for my clients. My mom helped me set up my studio. Shout out to her and her business where she helps get people business ready on whatever their business is, set them up, business setup, party setup, things like that in that nature. But yes, this is my studio. So that was a short little tour of my nail studio and where I sit and where my clients sit and my clients view and things like that. If you guys like what you see, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, comment, tell me what you didn't like, tell me what you did like, ask any questions, anything. I'm open. I'll give you any kind of information. And let me know if you guys want to see a part 2 to this video. I can show you what all equipment I have and what I have in my drawers and where I get my things from. All right, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.